Let's make learning Spanish fun and easy. Today, we're talking about ser and estar, two verbs that both mean to be. But don't worry, I have a trick to help you remember them forever. First, let's start with ser. Think of ser as something that stays the same. It's for things that don't change easily. We use ser for who you are, yo soy estudiante, I am a student, where you're from, soy de México, I am from Mexico. Descriptions. El cielo es azul, the sky is blue. Time and date. Hoy es lunes, today is Monday. Now, let's talk about estar. Estar is for things that change. Temporary states, emotions, and locations. We use estar for feelings. Estoy feliz. I am happy. Locations. El libro está en la mesa. The book is on the table. Conditions. Está lloviendo. It is raining. Here's an easy way to remember. Ser is like a permanent tattoo. It doesn't change. Estar is like a whiteboard. It can change any time. Let's practice. Try saying these sentences out loud with me. I am tired. Estoy cansado. She is intelligent. Ella es inteligente. The coffee is hot. El café está caliente. Great job. Now, next time you wonder whether to use ser or estar, just ask, is this something permanent or temporary? Now, I'll watch this several times today to lock it into your memory. Keep practicing and soon it'll feel natural. Follow me for more fun free Spanish lessons. ¡Nos vemos!